They spend a lot of time in termite mounds as well, which gives them the name of anthill python. So that's another name that they're known by. Inside the termite mounds are a nice stable environment. The temperatures are fairly stable. It doesn't get too cold or too hot within the termite mounds, even though the external temperatures can be blazing heat, especially where they come from in Western Australia. And it also gives them security from predators. There's a food supply. You've got little geckos living in the termite mounds, eating the termites. So they do very well in this kind of enclosed habitat, micro habitat. There was an interesting observation. So if you can't tell, I'm just kind of going over every species of python in Australia, giving some interesting natural history notes with some potential implications for their care. So this is Antares maculosa, the spotted python, and this fellow, last name Trembath, found one during a picnic with his family in 2008. And after they were kind of handling it, it threw up a keelback snake. And they actually opened up the keelback snake, and inside the keelback were two cane toads, an introduced predator. So kind of an interesting, I guess indirectly ate some cane toads. But I wonder if that toxin from the cane toad would affect the snake or not. I don't know, maybe that's why I threw it up. But children's pythons have also been observed to chase down and eat keelback snakes. It's not the most common behavior of pythons to engage in ophiophagy, but these two will do that. I've also kept some hatchlings together in a bin for a little longer than I probably should have, and one day I come in and find one halfway down the belly of another, kind of pull them apart, and both of them survived all right. But if they do eat each other, then both of them usually die, because the one can't handle that large size of meal, and it's really hard to live inside the stomach of another snake. So generally, snakes that feed commonly on other snakes have different anatomy to allow that. They have a longer stomach to kind of fit those long, skinny meals. So, and pythons they don't really have that, but they can get along with eating a snake once in a while.